Ron Atchison for AutoForge.net. And in this video review, we're going to be taking a look at Duragloss 821 All-Wheel Cleaner. Now, all-wheel cleaner couldn't be simpler to use. You simply spray it on, let it dwell for a minute or two, and rinse it off. That's all there is to it. It is an acid-based product, so you do not want to put this on a hot wheel. In fact, you don't want to put any wheel cleaner on a hot wheel. Make sure the wheel is cool to the touch. Do not let the product dry on the wheel. Duragloss All-Wheel Cleaner is safe to use on all types of wheels, including clear-coated, painted, and highly polished. So I've got a Honda out here with some pretty dirty wheels on it, and I'll show you how simple this product is to use. All right, so as you can see, the wheel on this Honda's pretty dirty. So we're simply going to take the 821 all-wheel cleaner. I'm going to spray it on half of the wheel so that you can get a pretty good before and after. Spray it up into the barrel. Clean the tire with it too. So per the directions, I'm going to leave that sit and dwell for a minute or two. Hopefully it doesn't start to dry up on me because I'm right here in this Florida sun and it's already in the upper 80s. So I may have to give it a shot every now and then to keep it from drying. But anyway, we'll let this go for the minute or two and we'll simply rinse it off and see how well of a job it did. All right, it's starting to dry up a little bit in this Florida sun, which is very strong. So I'm going to give it a real quick shot just to keep it wet. As you can see, it's a very thick wheel cleaner. It barely wants to drip. It's clinging nicely to the wheel, which is a good thing. That's where you want the product. You want the product on the wheel, not on the driveway. So right now we are at 1 minute into this. Obviously I'm fast forwarding the video so that you're not sitting there looking at a wheel for a minute. So far it's clinging nicely to the wheel. It's definitely not running off of it at all. I give it one more shot. Starting to get a little dry up in this area. All right, so that has been 2 minutes on the button. So let's rinse this off and see how well it cleaned the wheel. At least on a wet wheel, it looks like it did an excellent job. I'm going to dry the wheel off with my McKee's mini car dryer. That way we can see exactly the before and after without trying to look through water. All right, for a spray and rinse product, it appears it did a fantastic job. You can see inside the barrel is nice and clean. Wheel itself on the left hand side's clean. That's what we started with. So I would say for a spray and rinse type product, it does a very nice job. So that was Duragloss 821 All Wheel Cleaner. I think for a spray on rinse off type product, this wheel cleaner did a fantastic job. As you saw, the wheel was nice and clean with absolutely no agitation. If you'd like to learn any more information on Duragloss products, please visit autoforge.net, where we sell a wide variety of Duragloss products. I'll provide a link below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is Ron Atchison for autoforge.net. Thanks for watching.